Hey guys, welcome back to another Minecraft Pocket Edition video. Jom here, welcome back to another Minecraft Pocket Edition video. Today guys, we're playing Minecraft Pocket Edition and we're in the Woodland Mansion. But guys, oh my goodness, they're already villagers right there. But guys, today guys, we're going to review this house right there, the Woodland Mansion, which is the new stuff in Minecraft Pocket Edition 1.1 update. So hope you guys did not enjoy it. But guys, this is just a map because I download this map because I can't find at the original one. So I download the map. If you wanna download this map, there'll be a link in the description below. So yeah. So we're heading in here, and there's already villagers right here. Just kidding. Okay. I can kill this slime right here. But guys, remember it is oh 5 shields. Oh gosh. Okay, let's kill this thing. This is a map. Oh, but yeah, I just wanna show you guys this. So yeah. So let's pop out a strength potion. So let's kill these guys right here. Okay, creeper. Okay, let's kill. Why there's lots of villagers right here? Gosh darn it. Okay. Oh my fudging gosh. There are lots of Bexes right here. Lots of Bexes. Fudge up, men. My boy. Gosh darn it. They are pretty annoying, guys. So don't mess with these guys right here. Okay, gosh darn it. Come on, man. Go die. Go die. Okay. There's lots of slimes right here. Lots of baby slime. See that pull up. As you see, guys, it's pretty not like this. Okay. Well, I will just go to the settings and I will get this. See in there. His name is that guy right there. I'm going to go to classic and I will show you. Still 5-7. Okay. Let me check. Yep, you cannot put things right there. So yeah. So let's kill this couple of these mobs right here, and then let's get back to work. Okay. Okay. Let's go right here. Let's kill this evoker right here, which is we don't really like it. Okay. Let's kill this guy right here too. Wow. Heck man, there's lots of villagers right here. What the heck? They drop axe, but the other one they drop a totem of undying, which is good, and I will use this axe to kill these guys right here. But I'm low health right now. I need to regen. Double up. Now let's kill this guy right here. Well, there are no guns. Should be okay. Map by Mr. Blocker, yeah, that is name. Okay. And now yeah. There's a brand new color right here. It's good. So let's just explore this house right here. Okay. This is not in the what's it called again? In the that is not in the mansion, but it's hard work for that. Well, so I really appreciate that map. Okay, let's kill these guys right here because they are pretty annoying. Gosh darn, there's Bexes things. You know what? Let's get out of here. They are pretty annoying. So annoying right now. Okay. Now let's check up here. Well, he almost killed us, but not gonna happen, bro. Not gonna happen. Let's pretty cobweb right here. There are lots of cobwebs. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay, oh, that jump is so OP. Double up. Okay. And we got this kitty cat right here, which is, I don't know if they're in the mansion. I never seen a mansion in Woodland Mansion in the original one, but this is just a map. Okay. This is the thing we've been already here. Okay, let's go fast enough. We got these only. Okay. There's another one right here. And then there's a Bex right here, guys. There's a Bex. Let's just ignore him. Walk past right here. Well, we just go around the mansion. And I will show you downstairs of this mansion right here. Okay, let's go right there. Is there any stuff? Oh, we got block of irons right here, which is good. Okay, got block of golds right here now. And let's try to enchant this item, but we don't have anything. Yeah, don't have anything. Okay, there's nothing right there. Well, I will just fix this thing right here. I'm going to fix that thing right there. Okay, we got now a better thing. Okay, now okay, there's nothing right there. Okay, there's a jungle and it's a cage right here, which is good. Okay, is there anything right here? No, there isn't. Okay, let's get out of here. And now let's go right here. Okay. Is there any here? Any okay, our speed just got done. Let's go right here. And let's go back. We got already lots of totem of undying right now. Well, that's pretty much cool. We got lots of totem of undying. We are unstoppable. Well, let's just kill this guy right here. Okay. And it's raining about now. Okay, let's kill these mobs right here. Well, yeah. I think that's going to pretty much wrap up for today's video. Well, yeah. So, it's pretty small. I'm so sorry about this. Gosh darn it. Okay, let's go to pocket and yeah. So guys, hope you guys did all enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, comment section down below. And boom, hope you guys did all enjoy this. And yeah. So guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, comment section down below. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next time. Peace out and bye. We'll see you all on the next